So today I wanted to take a look at the Liberty Rechargeable Mini Dehumidifier. So this guy is a very compact, very inexpensive way to keep your moisture under control inside your gun safe. Alright guys, so as you can see, I actually have two of these guys. I use them so that when one is on charge, I always have coverage inside my safe. As long as you have a tight-fitting door, you won't have any problems. And literally one of these guys is more than enough to control the moisture for this area inside a safe. So the more the merrier. If you have two, you're just that much better off. So inside the package, you really just get the unit itself, the instruction manuals, and a hanger so that you can hang it inside a closet or whatnot. Looks like this guy is wrapped up. So all you do is fold out the plug, right? That's all you do. Just fold it out, plug it into the wall, let it set. I normally let it set overnight. And when that changes color to green, you know that you have collected all the moisture that it can collect. You know that you can take it off charge when it is yellow, just like it is right now. That's why it came wrapped up. So what's really nice is that when you go to buy this at Cabela's or Bass Pro or Amazon or wherever, it's already wrapped up and it's ready to go. So I can literally toss this in my safe and I'm good to go. If you choose to hang it, it does have this little hook system right here. So you just can hang it, say maybe inside a closet or inside your gun room, or you can hang it inside your gun safe, however you choose to do it. But it's a very convenient, very inexpensive way to provide moisture control for inside your safe. One of the nice things about it is that you don't have to run power to your safe. So some safes are not set up for you to actually be able to get a goldenrod or some type of electricity into the interior of the safe. Now the high-end ones, they typically have that already built into them, and or have a power strip or some type of way for you, even a hole, for you to be able to get that cord snaked in and out. But in a lot of cases, you don't have that luxury, and when you don't, this is a great way to keep your guns from rusting.